So someone asked me to show you guys my necklace. This necklace is supposed to symbolize a mother and a child. So it's supposed to mean the love between a mother and a child. Today we are going to be replacing the closer.
I want a snack, please.
Okay. Okay, go get one. I'm gonna take that one off.
Take this one off and I put the new one on. Do you know what we need to use, guys?
A screwdriver or a drill.
I always want a screwdriver. A screwdriver.
Alright, so first we're just...
Guys, be really careful with this. Get poked in the eye. The eye will pop out. You have one eye.
So first, remove all the everything. Can you give me the drill, please?
I'm having difficulties. Hello.
So what we're gonna do now is basically just remove these screws. I just want you to see. So there's 4 screws on the wall. Someone recommended that I use long screws. The one that comes with the new one is a lot shorter. So we want to use long ones.
I never tried, so I'm gonna try. Okay? Okay, kids?
Press it. Awesome, let it go.
I'm gonna do the second one.
Okay, now press it. Okay, now let go. There. Good job. Okay, let go. Good job.
That was loud, kids. Right,
that
kids?
That one was hard.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're just gonna take everything apart right now. Oh gosh. Oh.
So bad.
I don't know if this makes a difference, but I'm gonna use the same holes that were already in here. This thing tells you which way the storm door should face. So this is exactly the way this needs to go in there. And we're gonna go ahead and screw these things in here. It says it recommends for the closer to be at the top, but my wooden frame on the top is very damaged. So we are not gonna do that. Just going in there. Okay. Then I'm gonna do the last one, same thing. Okay, so next step after we did that is we locate your new thing and the washer, which comes in the little bag. You're gonna stick this washer in there all the way in, and then you're gonna use this small little, whatever you call it, and you're just gonna drop it in here. Drop it like it's hot. This is gonna basically just go in here in the existing holes because I don't know how to make new holes in the door. So we're supposed to be able to reach here. That's basically where I need to be. So connect this, or stick this in there and do that. So it closes, but my handle also doesn't work. So that's a video for another day. Yay! It didn't use the close.
It didn't use the clothes. My mom is gonna eat the U. Yummy.
This is yummy.
Bye. Bye, Broke People's Guide.
I really, really appreciate all the support you guys have given me. If you want to contribute to the growth of the channel, you can make a donation of any amount to my CashApp or my PayPal. CashApp, PayPal. I'll also include the information in the description and in the comment section below. So again, thank you guys so much. You guys are awesome. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you always watch till the end of the video.
How did you do that, kids? Oh, what is this? What's this? What is this? What is this?